You want ABS, but you don't want to waste hours in the gym doing exercises that don't work. I get it. The truth is, building a solid six-pack isn't about doing more. It's about doing better. I've cured the ultimate list of 5 body weight exercises that hit your entire core, upper, lower, sides, everything. Do this for 30 days. No excuses. Let's see what you're made of. But here's the catch. You just have to maintain consistency and follow my form exactly. Because if you do these exercises wrong, you're not gaining anything. First up, the plank. The exercise that makes 1 minute feel like an eternity waiting for your crush to text back. Why do we do this? Because it builds stability. It turns your core into a solid rock, not that squishy stress ball you're carrying around. Get on your forearms, keep your back straight. Don't sag your hips like a sad bridge. And don't stick your butt in the air like you're trying to signal aliens. Just hold it, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, shake violently, cry a little. It's all part of the process. Now, how long should you hold it? As long as you possibly can. I know at first you'll probably collapse after 10 seconds, but trust me, keep at it and soon you'll be holding it for minutes. Just don't stop until your body is shaking like a leaf in a hurricane. That's when the magic happens. Number 2, bicycle crunches. No, we are not going for a leisurely ride through the park. We are going to a bleak city. Population pain. This move targets the sides of your ABS. You know, the parts that muffin top over your jeans. Yeah, those. Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee. Extend the other leg out and slow down. I see you flailing around like a beetle stuck on its back. Control the movement. Twist your torso. Feel the squeeze. Don't worry about counting reps. Just keep going until failure. That means you don't stop when it starts to burn. You stop when you physically can't do another rep with good form. Push until your ABS refuses to listen to your brain. If you're not twisting, you're just wiggling. Stop wiggling. Next, we have leg raises. Because apparently, just lying down wasn't hard enough. Now we have to fight gravity with our legs. This one targets the lower ABS, the hardest place to lose fat, and the easiest place to store pizza. Hands by your side or under your butt. If your lower back is screaming at you, lift your legs straight up to the ceiling. Then lower them slowly, slowly. Don't let your heels touch the floor. That's cheating. The floor is lava. The floor is failure. Keep them hovering. Forget counting to 15. Do as many as you can. Keep going until your legs feel like they weigh a ton and you physically can't lift them. One more time. If you're not making a face like you're trying to pass a kidney stone, you're not working hard enough. Exercise number 4, mountain climbers. It's like running, but horizontal and significantly more annoying. This is a dynamic move. It hits your core and gets your heart rate up, so you can pretend you did cardio today. Get into a plank position. Drive your knees into your chest one by one. Keep your hips down. You are a mountain climber, not a twerking instructor. Now go fast and don't look at the clock. You stop when your legs turn to jelly and you physically collapse on the floor. Imagine you're running away from your responsibilities. Or a bear. If you slow down, the bear eats you. So run until you can't anymore. And finally, the bird dog. Named after 2 animals that have absolutely nothing in common with this movement. This isn't about burning fat. It's about control. It's about teaching your body not to fall over. When you lift a limb, get on all fours. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Make a straight line. Hold it. Feel the balance. Now switch. Keep your core tight. Don't arch your back like a scared cat. And forget about counting 10 reps. Keep alternating sides until your core gives up and you start wobbling like a jelly on a washing machine. Once your form breaks, you're done. It looks easy, but do it right and you'll realize how unstable your life really is. And there you have it. The top 5 exercises to get ABS at home without buying useless gadgets from TV commercials. But let's get real for a second. You can crunch until the cows come home. But if you're eating pizza for breakfast and fat all day, you'll never see those ABS. Fix your lifestyle. Sleep at least 8 hours. If this was your first proper workout, trust me, you're going to sleep like a baby tonight. Anyway, do this routine consistently. Eat clean and rest well. Otherwise, it's just your loss, boss. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Now go drink some water. You look dehydrated. The core man out. Finding this tool useful? Bookmark us for easy